a big stretch. Okay, we're gonna start on the mat sitting. I'm gonna get myself situated and I'll meet you there.
And gently walk your feet forward, making your way into a forward fold. Make this a mindful movement, and you can begin to shift your weight side to side, bending one knee and then the other, awakening the backs of the legs, lengthening through your spine. Let your head and neck relax, and we'll slowly come back to stillness, folding forward over your legs here. Glide your hands up onto your shins. Inhale and lift to extend your spine. Then we'll exhale and wave your spine back down. So we're going to link the breath and the movement and practice that spinal wave here. Inhaling, we unfurl the spine, lengthening out through your heart. And as you exhale, you fold and wave the spine back down. So see if you can find that personal expression, that personal experience of mobilizing the spine, and make sure that your feet, your shins, your knees, your thighs are stable and strong, supporting you in this movement. Then you can release and fold your body down, and let's just take a little ragdoll here, grabbing opposite elbows. Let your head drop down between your arms, and if you want to pulse front and back a little bit or sway side to side, today is all about that movement, so just make it feel good for yourself. And then we'll release your hands back down to the floor. Spread your fingertips wide. We're going to step back to our plank pose. We got to get our chaturangas in there, you guys. So we're stepping back to the plank. Tone the strength of your legs. Press against the earth. And as you inhale, you'll shift your weight forward. Roll your shoulders on your back and lift your head up. You can lower your knees or keep them lifted. Either way. We'll inhale to prepare, lift your heart up. Then we'll exhale to slowly lower, hover where you can. Then slowly release, coming all the way down to your belly. Turn the tops of your feet to the floor. Roll the tops of your shoulders to the sky. Tone the strength of your legs. Engage the strength of your back as you inhale. Curl your heart up. Then we'll exhale and wave the spine down. So that's the movement. Let's inhale. Roll the shoulders down and back as you curl your heart up. Then exhale and wave it back down. We'll go 2 more times. Shoulders up and back. Curl your heart up. Unfurling through the crown of the head, then let it release. One more time here. Inhale to curl your chest open. Don't forget about the strength of your legs as you exhale and wave your body back down. We're going to curl your toes under. Begin to make your way back into your downward facing dog. Stretching and lengthening. Reach your hips high as you anchor into the earth. Root to rise. Let's inhale and sweep the right leg high, lifting your heel to the sky. Exhale and gently step that foot forward, coming all the way into your lunge. Set it up nice and neat, the way you know how. Knee over the ankle, in line with the toes. Then we'll lower the back knee down. Try to keep the toes tucked. If you bring the top of the foot down, just keep the back leg engaged. Most important thing. Bring your right hand to your knee. Inhale and rise, lifting your heart up. Hug the strength of your legs together. So we really lift up out of the earth. Then reach your right arm up to meet the left. Inhale and grow tall, lifting and reaching as high as you can. As you exhale, cactus, bend your elbows, curl your heart open, and see if you can lunge a little deeper. Let's inhale, reach your arms up, lift up out of your waist. Exhale, cactus, elbows, curl your heart open, roll your shoulders down your back. We're going one more time. Inhale, reach and lift. Exhale, curl your heart open. Let's inhale and lift one more time. Reaching your fingertips high, hug your belly in. Let's exhale and release your hands to the floor. Whoo! Gently glide your hips back, extending through your right leg. Another opportunity for that spinal wave. So as you inhale, lift your heart, lift your tail. Then exhale and wave your spine down, folding over your leg. Again, inhale, wave the spine long. Exhale and fold your body down. Take a couple more rounds at your own pace. See if you can really tune in to the legs, the hips, the spine, the shoulders, the arms, the head, all at once. Then as you exhale, we'll fold your body down. Just pause here, letting yourself get into that nice deep hamstring stretch. Then we'll inhale and lift to extend through your spine and open your right fingertips to the sky. So we get that little IT band stretch. Lengthen out through your spine as you roll your shoulders open, stacking right over left. Take one more inhale, see if you can twist a little deeper. Then we'll exhale and release the right hand down. We're going to move into our triangle pose. So you can shift forward into your lunge, lift your back knee, and spin your left heel down to the floor. Just double check your alignment here. As you glide your hips back, extending both legs straight. Remember, we will do it like we did on Wednesday. So both hands are down. You press and lift to extend through the spine. Then we'll open the left fingertips from there. So you really lengthen out the shape from start to finish. So just take one more good deep breath here, opening through your chest and shoulders. Really rock that triangle pose. Then we're going to come all the way up to rise. Now lunge into that right leg, coming into your warrior pose. Root down through the feet, the toes and the heels. Lift up through the inner arches. Stabilize the knee over the ankle in line with the toes. You got it. Lift up out of your waist, tone through your core, roll your shoulders down your back, extend your arms. Now we're going to bring in that spinal wave, little side to side action here. Flip your right palm to the sky. We'll inhale and reach up and back. And exhale to rise back to center. Inhaling, we reach up and over. Exhale, come back to center. You getting tired? You feel that burn? Hang in there with me. We'll do one more round. Reach back, lunge forward. We're going to windmill your hands all the way down. Nice, big, satisfying exhale. Spin your left heel to the sky. Press your palms firmly into the earth and sweep that right leg up and back. Nice little tripod here. Stack your right hip over your left and bend into your knee. Stabilize through your hands and through your standing leg. And see if you can twist the hips open a little wider. Then gently make your way back to center, floating that right foot back down to the floor. Take 3 deep breaths here in your down dog, enlivening the pose. And if you need to take a child's pose here, that's a great option as well. So support yourself in your practice. Whatever you need is perfect. At the end of your 3 exhales, let's walk or step your feet forward, coming back into that forward fold. We'll just do 1 wave here, inhaling, lift and open through your chest and shoulders. Then exhale and wave your spine down. Now we're gonna unroll. You guys probably remember this from Wednesday. We're gonna slowly stack the vertebrae, one over the other. Slowly unrolling the spine. Try to let your arms and shoulders relax. Let your neck and head relax until it's their turn to slowly stack on top. Notice how you feel. Grounding into your center. Breathing your deep healing breath. Now we'll get ready to move to the second side. So root down through your feet, root down through your heels and lift through the inner arch. Lift up on your legs, hug the muscles on the bone and lift up out of your waist. Hug your belly up and in. We'll inhale and stretch your arms up. Reach and grow tall and exhale and gently fold your body all the way down. Inhale to lift and wave your spine long. Exhale and wave it down. Plant your hands on your mat. Step your feet back. Coming back into your plank pose. Tone your legs. Tone your core. Engage the chest and shoulders. We'll inhale to shift forward and prepare. Knees up or knees down. We'll exhale. Hover in your chaturanga for the full exhale. Let it go. Then we'll release all the way down to the floor. Turn the tops of your feet down. Engage the strength of your legs connecting to the earth. We'll inhale. Wave the spine long, lifting your heart up. Then exhale and wave it back down and we'll transition to your down dog. Coming back into that nice strong down dog position, let's inhale and lift the left leg high. And as you exhale, we'll step that foot all the way through, coming forward to your lunge. Set it up well and lower your back knee down. And just check in with yourself that you're really practicing with integrity, okay? Then we'll bring your left hand onto your knee, press up, sweeping your right arm up. Okay, so we're in the lunge. Let's bring it to life. Hug the muscles onto the bone. Press against the earth, root to rise. Then we'll stretch your left arm up to meet the right. Take another deep breath in here. Grow a little bit taller. Then as you exhale, we'll cactus bend the elbows, curling your heart open. You might lunge a little deeper. Then we inhale and rise. Stretch and reach tall, lifting. We'll exhale and open. One more time. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, open the heart wide. One more time. We'll inhale and reach. Stretching to the sky, then exhale and gently float your hands back down to the floor. Lift your right knee. Oh no, half split. Glide your hips back over your right knee. Okay, so now the hips are over the knee. The front leg is extended. We're going to practice our spinal wave here. Inhale to lift and lengthen, extending your heart forward. Try and draw your tailbone back. Then exhale, wave your spine down, folding over that left leg. So that's the movement. Lead it with your breath. Inhaling to open, exhaling to fold. Find that wave. Allow for that fluid movement in your spine.